Here's a great deal on a 2016 BMW 550i. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, heated and ventilated seats, blind spot sensor, and leather upholstery. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and more than 20 speakers, delivering the ultimate in automotive sound. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.